The Porsche 911 Turbo S Plus for 2026 is not just an evolution, it's a statement. With every new iteration, Porsche refines its icon, and this time, it has pushed the boundaries even further. From the moment the headlights cut through the night, there's an undeniable presence, a low, wide stance that exudes both aggression and elegance. The redesigned front fascia sharpens its gaze, with larger air intakes and a subtle yet effective lip spoiler optimizing airflow. Every curve, every crease on the body serves a purpose, ensuring that downforce is maximized without sacrificing that classic 911 silhouette. The most striking feature, the active aerodynamics have taken another leap forward. A deployable front splitter now works in tandem with an even more sophisticated rear wing, adjusting in real time to enhance stability at high speeds. The sculpted hood, marked with subtle yet aggressive character lines, complements the flared rear arches that house wider tires for improved grip. Lightweight materials dominate the build, with carbon fiber now extending beyond the roof and mirrors to include reinforced sections of the chassis, shedding valuable weight while improving rigidity. The underbody has also been re-engineered with a smoother surface, reducing drag while improving airflow management for enhanced performance. Step closer, and the engineering excellence becomes even more apparent. The LED matrix headlights feature advanced laser technology, providing crystal-clear illumination that adapts dynamically to road conditions. The 21-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in ultra-high performance tires, provide the perfect balance between grip and agility. Even the door handles are now electronically flush, improving aerodynamics while maintaining a sleek, uninterrupted profile. The technology inside is equally breathtaking. Porsche's latest iteration of the PCM infotainment system offers sharper graphics and faster response times, seamlessly integrating with a fully digital gauge cluster that retains the classic 5-pod design. The driver's seat is an experience in itself. High-resolution displays provide real-time telemetry, while an enhanced heads-up display projects crucial driving data onto the windshield. The interior's material choices scream luxury with a purpose. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum blend effortlessly, giving a race-inspired yet refined cabin. Porsche has also introduced an AI-powered driving assistant, analyzing driving habits and providing real-time feedback to enhance performance. Comfort has not been overlooked despite its track-focused DNA. The adaptive sports seats, now with integrated cooling and heating, provide optimal support for both spirited driving and long-distance cruising. A premium Burmester 3D surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, whether blasting down the Autobahn or enjoying a leisurely drive through the countryside. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and seamless smartphone integration enhance everyday usability, making this a true grand tourer wrapped in supercar performance. Under the hood, although, technically, behind the rear axle, the beating heart of the Turbo S Plus is a revised twin-turbocharged flat-six that now delivers even more power. Exact figures are still under wraps, but whispers suggest a figure approaching 700 horsepower. The improved turbochargers, revised intercoolers, and an upgraded exhaust system contribute to an even sharper throttle response, delivering relentless acceleration that defies physics. The 0 to 60 mph time. Expect it to hover around the low 2-second range, making it one of the quickest production cars on the planet. The titanium exhaust system not only sheds weight but delivers an intoxicating symphony that growls with aggression at high revs while maintaining civility during urban driving. All this power is harnessed by Porsche's most advanced all-wheel drive system yet. The torque vectoring system has been reworked for even greater responsiveness, allowing for precise power distribution in milliseconds. The 8-speed PDK transmission has been recalibrated, ensuring shifts are as crisp and instantaneous as ever. Launch control has also been refined, delivering explosive off-the-line performance that pins you to the seat with brutal efficiency. Additionally, a newly developed drift mode allows controlled oversteer for those who seek an extra layer of excitement on track days. Braking performance is just as staggering as the acceleration. The carbon ceramic brakes, now larger and more heat-resistant, provide fade-free stopping power even under extreme conditions. A recalibrated electronic stability program allows for more aggressive cornering without unnecessary intervention, giving skilled drivers the ability to push the car closer to its limits with confidence. Even the steering has been fine-tuned, providing razor-sharp feedback that ensures an intimate connection between driver and machine. Efficiency isn't just about power delivery, it extends to fuel consumption as well. Despite its monstrous performance, the Turbo S Plus employs clever cylinder deactivation and a mild hybrid system to optimize efficiency when cruising. While no one buys a 911 Turbo for its fuel economy, these enhancements ensure that performance and responsibility aren't mutually exclusive. The regenerative braking system also plays a role, harvesting energy to power auxiliary systems and reduce overall fuel consumption. Pricing for the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S Plus is expected to push past the $230,000 mark, cementing its place in the ultra-premium sports car segment. But for those who demand the pinnacle of performance without sacrificing everyday usability, there are few alternatives. Hidden features include a newly developed track mode that optimizes every system for maximum attack, while an AI-assisted traction control system learns driving habits to adapt in real time. Additional Easter eggs, such as customizable ambient lighting themes and a hidden compartment in the center console, add a touch of exclusivity. In a world where supercars chase outrageous designs and impractical speed, the 911 Turbo S Plus remains the ultimate blend of precision, power, and practicality. It's more than just a car, it's an institution, an engineering marvel that continues to redefine what's possible on four wheels. Whether carving through mountain roads, setting lap records, or simply making a statement in the city, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S Plus is a masterpiece that commands respect at every turn. I've expanded the script to include more details on aerodynamics, technology, comfort, braking, and hidden features. Let me know if you need further refinements.